In this video, you're going to see me unbox this baby, which is the Lidl Parkside bench pillar drill, budget version. Don't go away. So there it is. It's a Parkside pillar drill PTBM 500E5, 500 watt, 500 to 2,500 RPM. It's got a 16mm chuck in it, which is great because a lot of them are only 13mm. That's annoying. See, that catches that. It's annoying. Doesn't make any difference, just move it to the side, but it's better if, for me, so this is going to catch that if I'm ever, you just move the shut round until the hole's in, it misses it, yeah. But if you're on the side, something, it's just going to clout that. It's going to drive you mad. Say German engineering for you. Us English, British, yeah. We'd have that centred, yeah. So that, yeah, be right in the centre of that, okay. That way, when you put it in, okay, it'd miss it every time. Yeah, that's the laser, that, okay. It's just going to keep smacking it. Germans, design, keep ranting and raving about it, but British is best. Buy British, okay. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got a locking mechanism here for the motor, and on the back side is like a release that allows the motor to move backwards and forwards. So if I want to adjust the speed of this, I'll undo that. It feels a bit, see how it's dropped down now, the motor, and what you do is there's a lever here that allows it to, see how it's moving forward. So once I've got it where I want it to go, the belts are nice and slack now because it moves these forward. Okay, so once I've got it on where I want it to be, see how we get that nice tension on it there. You don't want it too tight, just get a nice little nip on that, nip that up. Okay, and there, the reason why you don't want your belts too tight, if you have them too tight, it'll wear the motor out. Okay, just need a nice little bit of pressure to be able to run round. You don't want to be putting too much pressure on these. Okay, the other thing is, as you can see here, there's 3 grooves on this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one, yeah, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this one. So the way you adjust the speed is, so at the present it's on what position that, I'm just looking on this, bear with me a sec. It's on position 1 there on this, and on this one it is on the second one down, which is B, okay, so it's B1. So if we look on here, B1, so that tells us it's running at 980 RPM, okay. And all you do then, you don't run it, health and safety again, you don't run that with the lid up. So what I'll do is I'll just tighten that up now. I'm happy with that. We'll just, again, for me, what I don't like is this is in the way. It's somewhat of nothing really, but I'm just finicky with stuff like that, so we'll move it out of the way. Just nip that up. So there we have it. That was the Lidl Parkside bench pillar drill, PTBM 500 E5, and it didn't look too bad actually. There's a few little things that you can actually tighten up on. There's if the spindle's actually running a little bit concentric, so it's not dead true, you just have to set the electric switch off at the front, the stop button rather. You take that off and then you can get behind that and just actually tighten it up a little bit of adjustment. This one seemed fine in fairness. I'll run it now for the next 3 or 4 months. It's going to get a bit of stick in here with various projects that we've got on the go. Yeah, so all in all, not a bad little unit for 59 quid from Lidl. So yeah, we'll go along with that and we'll take it from there. Right, get on with building the table for it now. Next job. Things never end, they never ever stop. So here we go. No rest for the wicked, as they say. Okay, let's get on with this bench. Yep, so there she is. There's just down in there now. The holes are drilled in the bench. I just need to put some set screws in there. There she is in place. What I've also done is I've built a bench for it to go on out of a pallet. So there we go. So from me on this one, it's goodbye, and I shall get back to you. Don't forget, thumbs up, like it. Any comments, please stick them below. Give me some suggestions what tools you think I should have in here, okay? Because there's all sorts of things. We're going to do woodworking, we're going to do metal fabrication. If you've got a tip for me, there's a piece of equipment out there that I could go and get and review for everyone, please let me know. So stick it in the comments below, otherwise I don't know about it. And tell me what you think about Parkside bench pillar drill, okay? Okay guys, so thumbs up, hit subscribe, like, all the rest of it. Bye for now.